Does your Android phone camera doesn't have any stabilization system for shooting videos? Don't worry. You can stabilize it by using CapCut App. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Without any further delay, let's get started. Open the CapCut app, tap on Project, and select the video to edit. Tap on Add to open Full Editing panel. Now select the video on Editing panel. After that, swipe left to the Editing toolbar until you find Stabilize tool. Tap on it. Now there are 3 stabilizing options: Minimal Cropping, Recommended, and Most Stabilization. Selecting Most Stabilization will crop the video extensively from the frame. Go to Recommended options. CapCut will take a few seconds and stabilize the video. You can watch the preview of the edit by tapping on Resume button. If you are satisfied, tap on the OK button on the bottom left corner. Hit the Export button to save the video on local storage. And that's how you can easily stabilize the video and make it social media ready, even if your Android phone doesn't have a stable camera. Let us know in the comment box if the method has worked for you. To watch latest tips and tricks videos from our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.